multiple streams of income. In 2024, we're going to be earning multiple streams of income. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about how we're going to make a lot of money, 8 viable streams of online income for 2024. Now, you know why we have to earn more stream of income, right? Do I need to preach to the choir? Do I need to preach to my rich choir? I'm sure I don't, but in today's economy, where life be lifing and the math is not mathing, we all know that any multiple stream of income is, a no-brainer, okay? Because to be able to attain financial security, financial stability, and all the good things we want to attain in this channel as we build wealth and become financially independent, having multiple streams of viable income can potentially enhance your well-being in 2024. And that's why today I'm going to be sharing 7 viable streams of online income you can earn in 2024. Okay, so look out for point number 5 and point number 3 because I found them quite interesting, and I hope you will find them quite interesting. But by the way, make sure you stay and hear all 7 streams of income, because you might just find your next stream in one of the 7 streams of income. Welcome to my channel. Like I said, my name is Tale Alimi. If this is your first time or stopping by my channel, thank you for coming. Thank you for stopping by. I believe this video is going to add value to you, so let's make a deal. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your notifications, and make sure you share this video with all those your friends that are saying 2024 now a year, we're gonna kill it. So that we will all kill it together. Okay, so I'm going to do a countdown. Drum roll. Number 7, content creation. Now, again, hey, if you're creative, if you love to make content or create content like I do, I love creating content. That's why I'm in here creating this video. Okay, you can monetize your creativity on a serious note. Okay, a lot of people are always looking for content. So the other day, I'm part of a YouTube group of people, all of us working to grow our YouTube channels and all that and create value. And somebody was sharing that he wasn't good at writing scripts, so he had to hire somebody who was good at writing scripts to write his own scripts for him. Okay, and people always need content. Because of social media now, content has become king. So people are always looking for content creators, people who can write scripts for them, people who can create content ideas, because they need content for YouTube, they need content for Medium, Substack, any social media, to be honest, And so beyond the fact that on the social media platforms you can now become monetized, because most of them now offer monetization, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube and things like that, Medium, Substack, they all offer monetization. Beyond that, the truth is that as a content creator, if you're great at creating content, you can offer your services to creators, to other creators, okay? And I did my research. I came with the tea for you. Tea. Average, a content creator can earn up to $3,000 a month on the low end. $3,000 a month. Imagine earning an extra $3,000, especially if you are in, for example, a developing country in Africa with inflation. An extra $3,000 will do something for you. So, if you've got a talent, offer your content creation services. You can do direct marketing, or you can join marketplaces that give content creators the opportunity to actually offer their services. Okay, so that's the first. That's number 7. Number 6. Drum roll. Affiliate marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing basically is when you promote products and services of other companies and you earn a commission, okay, for each sales generated. For example, now I'm on YouTube. If I was promoting somebody's product or service and tell you about them, and I put my affiliate link down there and you click on the link, I'll earn money doing it. Or for example, myself, we have a platform in our company called Ruzo that allows socially conscious people to save and grow wealth and blah blah blah. If I put my Ruzo link there, which is actually there, and you sign up through me, if you're in Nigeria, I actually get to earn a commission. So that's affiliate marketing. And there are affiliate marketing platforms. I mean, I've tried to find the popular ones like the Amazon affiliate program, okay? Amazon Associates, there's ClickBank, there's Share a Sale, okay? That connects affiliates with brands. So check them out. Check out all the affiliate marketing platforms. You can earn an average of $100 to $500 as a beginner, and experienced affiliate marketers earn thousands of dollars, okay, being affiliate marketers. So that's another way, you know, you've got a following or you've got an audience and you want to promote a product and service. Affiliate marketing is a way to go. Okay, now I told you about number 5. Okay, drum roll. For people like me who love languages, I found this very interesting, okay, which is translation and interpreting services. Now, why did I find it interesting? Because I have been learning French and Portuguese as a hobby. Can you imagine? To travel to those countries and just be speaking, to parler français. Oui. Or fala Portuguese. Imagine how I was delighted to find out that there are actually sites that you can offer translation or interpretation services if you're multilingual. So if you are multilingual and you can speak multiple languages, platforms like Django, Prosy, and 1 Hour Translation connects you with translators and interpreters with clients. So isn't that like amazing? And you can earn up to $3,000 a month, and you can also get a share of profits, because some providers do like share of profit. Isn't that amazing? So to parler français, you speak multiple languages, leverage that, and you know, work as a translation or offer your translation, interpretation, or interpreting services. Yeah. Okay. So that is number 5. Okay. Drum roll. Number 4. Virtual assistant services. Okay. Some people don't want a physical assistant, but they don't mind a virtual assistant, especially for people that have like online businesses and do a lot of things online. They need virtual assistants to provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance, you know, to clients remotely, okay? And there are actually platforms that offer virtual assistant services that people can go and get a virtual assistant. And you can sign up on those platforms as a virtual assistant. You can check out Virtual, okay, Fancy Hands, and Virtual Assistant Jobs, okay. And you'll be connected as a virtual assistant with clients. And from my research, you will earn an average of $1,500 a month working at $10 per hour and 7 hours a day. Okay, so if you like to do admin work and help people, that's another way that you can make money. Number 3, drum roll, social media management. To be honest, the busier you get in life, we all know that we need to be engaging in social media, but not everybody has the time. The other day I was talking to a very influential woman, and she was saying to me about how, I know, so I was just teasing her that, oh, I'm always engaging with you on social media, but you're not responding. And she laughed. I said, Talia, I'm not the one that manages my social media. I'm like, you're not? She's like, no. She's like, I don't have the time. She's got a social media manager. And there's so many people like that who don't have time, the bandwidth, or even maybe it's for their companies and they don't want to hire anybody full-time. And so they employ social media managers, okay? And the good thing is, you know, you can use platforms like Hootsuite, Buffer, Sprout Social, okay, and their tools to schedule the social media posts, to manage their accounts and everything like that, and to interact with their followers and things like that. So there are tools that will help you make your job easier, so you can work for multiple clients and make money from multiple people, okay? And you can earn up to $3,500 a month working at $33 per hour and working only 5 hours a day. Gosh, Now you can see why this thing is sweet for me. And now that I think about it, actually, there's a time when I was actually running our coaching company where we were actually offering social media management services to some of our customers. So I have actually made money from social media management now that I think about it. Okay, maybe that's why it was exciting to me. So if you're good at community building, you're good at interacting with people, social media management is the third option. Okay, number 2, drum roll. So drop shipping. I find drop shipping quite interesting because you get to sell products without managing any inventory by partnering with a drop shipping supplier. So platforms like Obelo, Shopify, AliExpress simplify the drop shipping process, okay? And you can earn as much as $1,000 to $3,000 a month at a 10 to 30% commission on the products that you drop ship. So all you need to do is market the products. If you have a website or you have a social media platform or sales page, you market the product, and once the order is received, the dropshipper handles everything and you just earn a commission. Isn't that amazing? I think it is. You know, and one of the things I find fascinating about dropshipping is that I've actually seen some network marketing companies that pay up to 50% commission if you can just promote their products and they handle the drop shipping. I think amazing. So if you don't want to handle inventory, you don't want to stress yourself, you just want to be promoting the product, you know, you can try either one of the drop shipping platforms I've recommended, or join a network marketing company that also offers drop shipping and earn commission by promoting their products. Okay, I think that is amazing. And then number 1, drum roll, online customer service. Okay, so provide customer service support to businesses or individuals through the phone, okay, or through chats or through emails and all that. And there are platforms like LiveOps, Lionbridge, and support.com that connect customer service reps with clients, okay? And you can earn up to $2,000 a month working at $13 per hour and 7 hours a day. Now, don't say I didn't do you good. Don't say I didn't hook you up for 2024. Don't say I haven't shared you how you are going to be able to make money in 2024, because I just do. I just feel the tea. By the way, I want to thank one of my viewers who suggested this topic. Thank you so much. You know yourself. I appreciate you and I hope that this added value to you. And I would appreciate if you subscribe to this channel, turn on your notifications, share this with a friend, share this in that your WhatsApp group. You know that your WhatsApp group that you guys are all saying how we're going to kill it in 2024. Share it with them. And remember, the key to success in any income stream is to provide value. Provide value. Build trust and be consistent to deliver high quality work. People love excellent people. Not only can you make multiple streams of income in 2024, make up your mind that you're going to be a person of excellence and you're going to stand out. And I will see you again in the next video.